Hello everyone, welcome to my 12th video. In this video, I'll talk about how we print some character like double quote or backslash character with the help of printf function. Okay, so now let me first show you something. Like if I write something like this is first line, okay, and I use this backslash n. Okay, now what I do is I write here this is second line. Okay, second line, and what I do is I save it, I then build it, then I run it. You can see here the output. This is first line, this is second line. So what it does is, like, this is first line, that it finds this escape sequence or new line character, the combination of two characters, that is backslash n. So it actually, if you look carefully, it does not print this character n. It does not print this character n, and it escapes actually this character n. So that is why this sequence is called as escape sequence. Okay, so now the list of these escape sequence characters are here. Okay, I'll show you one more so that you get to know about it. Okay, fine. So here what I'll do is I'll use backslash t, then here also I'll use backslash t, and here also I'll use backslash t. Okay, so I'll just remove this one. Fine. So in case of whenever it finds this backslash t, it will create a tab. So let me run this one. You can see here actually after this it has created one tab, then again one tab, then again one tab. Okay, then so that is what, so it did not print this character t, so it escapes this character t. So that is why these sequences are called as escape sequence. But what if it finds something like double quotation marks? So in that case actually it prints. So there are actually three exceptions. Here you can see this double quotation mark, this single quotation mark, and this backslash, double backslash. Okay, in fact the behavior of all these escape sequence is known to the C compiler, and they behave according to their knowledge. These C compilers, whenever they find this escape sequence, they behave according to their knowledge. Okay, so what if I want to print a like, first I'll look at this one, this backslash. How do I do this? Okay, so I'll just copy this one. Let me first see whether it can print this backslash character directly or not. So I'll just save it, I compile it, now I run it. You can see actually I wrote something like today's date is 24 backslash 01 backslash 2018, but it printed something like 28, then some kind of question mark, then 8. So the fact is that the compiler got confused here what to print, because it found something like backslash 0, which is again a new line character, or a null character, sorry, that is a null character. So it does not really know what to do with this. Or even if I remove this one, like 01, then also it does not know what to do. Okay, then also it does not know, simply because backslash n is not listed here. As I told you, compiler only knows that an escape sequence, it starts with backslash, but as backslash 1 is not there, it does not know what to do with that sequence. So what it to get rid of this problem, what we can do is we can take help of this double backslash. So let me use it, this double backslash, and see what happens. So whenever it finds two backslash in sequence, one after the other in tandem, then it prints one backslash, the second one. Okay, so let me save it, then build it, now run it, and you can see the problem is actually solved. Okay, so that is how we make use of this, that is how we print this backslash. Now what if I want to print this one? She said I'll attend the function. How do I print this? So first I'll copy, and I'll see whether it can print this or not. Okay, you can see here already it is prompting me some sort of problem. So anyway, I'll save it and I'll go ahead with the build procedure, and you can see here it is telling me that build failed. Okay, so what actually happened is this double quote of this printf function, it started here, and when it found out the second quotation here, this one, it thought that that was the termination of this whole string, which is not the case. So that is why it cannot build. So what I'll do is I'll just use this escape sequence. Okay, I'll take help of this escape sequence whenever I find I want to print this double quote notation. So I'll save it, I'll build it, and now I'll run it, and you can see now it can actually print. She said I shall attend the function, so which is absolutely fine. So now now let me check with this single quotation mark also whether it can do or not. Okay, anyway, I'll just save it, build is successful. So in our case, actually the the one that we are using, it works actually fine. But if in your case, if you find any problem, just add one backslash before this single quotation, single quote mark. Okay, so it will work properly. So now let me do it with single quote double or a backslash also. Let me see, now also it works absolutely fine. So that is all. Okay, so I feel I have shown for single quotation, double quotation, as well as backslash. Okay, thank you.